So, I'm at it again. All summer I've been trying to catch a citation fish. There have been a couple close calls. I was at the Pamunkey earlier this summer, and I hooked about a 4.5, 5 foot striped bass. It was big as my second smallest child. And I got him about 3 to 4 feet away from me, and I couldn't quite get him because he was so aggressive, just swimming left to right very aggressively, and I didn't have a net. If I had a net, I would have popped it over his head. And then he just kind of bulldogged straight away from me and dived deep. You know how the fish will dive deep, and all of a sudden the line just went from being very, 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 very tight, and the tip of my rod, which was bent it's a 6 weight, so this thing was, the tip of my rod was bent all the way back down to the butt, the bottom. So it was a good 10-minute fight with this fish, and I lost him. He bulldogged straight away from me, and he dived deep, and my line was really tight, and then it just went loose, and I thought he snapped it, but he didn't snap it. The fly rose to the top, and it was just right there, a little teeny fly, this huge 4.5, 5 foot striper hit it and was on it, and it was awesome. So that was my first loss of the year. That would have been a possible citation for the area I was in, especially so far up on the Pamunkey River by the Little Page Bridge. I went home and cried that day. It was sad. And the second time was at a friend's pond, All Good Acres, located in Beaver Dam. They are an amazing farm. You can camp there. They have an awesome, huge. I mean, it seems like a lake, but it's not big enough to be a lake. But it's a huge pond that you can kayak, canoe, fish along the bank, camp out. They have 2 camping areas on either side of the pond, and I had caught a bass, a largemouth bass that was so big, and it came up to the top, and I went to go take a knee. I mean, this guy was definitely way past 22 inches, easily 8 or 9 pounds, and I was fishing from a dock, fly fishing from a dock, and I got him up to the dock. Once again, the moral of the story is carry your net, and I didn't have my net on me, and got him to the dock, and he was, I could visually see him, and I could actually touch him, and I went to go lip him, and when I went to go in to lip him from the water, he went under the dock, and all I did, I had 10-pound string on, 10-pound test. All I did was gently pull the 10-pound test, and it snapped, and he got away. So that was my second big monster fish. Another monster fish I caught, which is really normal for them to be monsters, is a carp. Now the carp I got was at Hanover Court Park, I believe is what it's called, and they have a tiny little pond that's stocked, but they have huge grass carp, and I caught them on a little teeny fly. So I mean, that would have been fun. It wasn't much of a citation because they're so big all the time, but let's see if we catch this bass today. Yes! Oh, yes, yes, yes. Holy shit. Oh, yes. I got you. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that monster. Look at this monster. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Oh. Yes, I got you. Okay, I got my citation. I'm gonna let this big guy go. Yes! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. 22 inches long. Whew. Almost an 8 pound, 5 ounces. Almost an 8 1/4, I guess. Wow. Awesome. All summer long, I've been trying to get a citation, and I finally got my citation. Awesome.